first graders, welcome to Unit 5, Week 2, Day 4. Listen carefully as I say a word, turn. The word turn has these sounds, t, I'll take away the first sound to make a new word, earn. The new word is earn. Now we'll do a few more. Twirl. Twirl without t. Whirl. Part without p. Art. Train without t. Rain. Spark without s. Park. Fright without f. Right. Farm without f. Arm. Okay, friends, this is our fourth day, so I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, worker. 3, 2, 1, surfer. Oh, sorry guys. Let me get back there. 3, 2, 1, teacher. 3, 2, 1, starter. 3, 2, 1, fighter. 3, 2, 1, painter. 3, 2, 1, helper. 3, 2, 1, farmer. 3, 2, 1, player. Okay, so our first word is clock. So go ahead and look at your choices here. 3, 2, 1. If you said B, that's correct. Okay, next is fox. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. C would be the answer there. And last of all is top. 3, 2, 1. This would be top. So B. Okay, here we go. Let's blend it. Turn. Change the t to b. Burn. Change the to st. Burst. Change the to bust. Change the st to d. Bud. Change the to I. Bid. Change the I to bird. Change the b to third. Change the d to st. Thirst. Change the th to first. Change the st to n. Fern. Change the th to h. So this is h, and then this is going to be duh. So herd. Change the h to v. So this will be v, and this will be b. Verb. Verb. Okay, so once again, remember that the ER ending means someone who does something. So a herd is a group of animals, but if I add herder, it's someone who herds animals. See how that's different? So my verb becomes a noun. So teach, if I add becomes teacher. Play, if I add becomes player. Lead, if I add becomes leader, someone who leads. And then read, if I add becomes reader. Here are our high frequency words. Here we go. Climb, 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 climb. The cat will climb another tree. And the B is silent. That's why it's not climb. Another. The cat will climb another tree. Full. The glass is not full. Pour. The poor dog needs more water. Great. This park is great, so let's walk through it. Through. This park is great, so let's walk through it. Okay, we'll read this together. Bats under the dark sky. Okay, here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. Animal. 3, 2, 1. Find. 3, 2, 1. Let's. 3, 2, 1. About. 3, 2, 1. Have. 3, 2, 1. Through. Okay, we'll read the title together and then you'll go first. Bats under the dark sky. So your turn first. Ready? Begin. ready, begin. A bat is an animal that likes to fly at night. If you see a bat, do not run. It will not hurt you. Let's find out about bats. Okay, ready? Your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. A bat might have fur on its head. The wings of a bat do not have fur. When bats fly, they turn a lot. They might turn to go up or down. Bats can turn and fly fast, too. Ready? Your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. Some bats like to eat bugs for dinner. Bats can find a fine spot and fly after bugs. Then bats might return to get some later. Bats can be small or large. A large bat might look like a plane flying. It can climb fast through the night sky. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. If a pal tells another mean tale about a bad bat, say stop. Those poor bats are not that bad. So if you see a bat in a full night sky, let it fly. Bats can be fun. Okay, friends, so last of all, that's okay, we only have 2 more slides. So last of all, an adjective describes size, shape, number, and color. Adjectives also tell how things look, sound, feel, smell, or taste. Okay, so let me read the sentence, and I'll give you 3 seconds to think of the adjective. There might be more than one. Adjectives, there might be more than one. The chirping bird sits in the little nest. 3, 2, 1. Chirping. And the other one is little. Okay, so chirping is what the bird... No, I don't think chirping. Chirping's a verb. It's something the bird does. But it's a sound, too. Well, I for sure know little is a verb. Okay, little is an adjective. And I guess another adjective is chirping. Okay, here we go. Miss Cox teaches in the yellow classroom. What's the adjective? 3, 2, 1. Yellow would be my adjective. Okay, our last slide says, the funny kitten chases yarn. So think of the adjective that describes. 3, 2, 1. Funny. And last of all, the big bowl is filled with plums. 3, 2, 1. Big would be the adjective. Bye, okay, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.